Today we're going to be working on problem 10.8, a chain link. Let's get right to it. This is a pretty simple one. Here we go. File, new, part, and this is the fundamental to starting any part, right? I'm going to go center line. I'm going to pick the top plane because it's pretty similar or parallel to this plane right here. You see it? So I'm going to be choosing the top plane. You see it didn't rotate. If it doesn't rotate, hit Control 8, make it normal to the screen. And I'm going to draw a line, and I'm going to select center line. Select this point, hold Shift, and click on the origin, and I'm going to hit coincidence. So the line now would be in the center on the origin. And what we're going to do smart dimension. Pull this down, and we need this to be 1.5. And this is this dimension right here. We're going to do the inner circles, then the outer arcs. So we're going to go to here. We're going to select circle, pull these out, smart dimension, two circles at the diameter of 0.25, 0.25, enter. Enter. So we got this one. Click circle, find the center point, pull it out. This time we're going to go down here, and we're going to tell it we want it to be 0.5, and this dimension is down here. See that? Click right there. Same thing with over here. Click, pull this out. I'm going to say 0.5. And click OK. So now to test it, to make sure that it's right, we're going to click on 1, pull it out. It says it's giving us a diameter of 1, right? But it said a radius. So if you want to double check to make sure that it is a radius of 0.5, you see, you just come over here, click on radius, and it will change that. So same thing with this guy. Pull it out. Hit OK. Leader. Go down to radius and change it to radius. So currently we have these, and it's saying that this is a radius of 0.5, radius of 0.5. So let's cross this out. We're going to go to the last one. This arc right here, it's a radius of 1. We got to do 2 of those. So we're going to do the same thing, but this time we're going to be using a tangent, radius, perimeter circle. Click right here. Select this side, tangent, or click, and enter 1 right here. Same thing right here. Tangent, click, and we're going to put 1. And this tangent works off of this side. So if you put it over here and over here, it won't work. So we have this part right here. We're going to be trimming now. Trim, swipe, trim here. I'm going to trim on the inside of these. Trim. This is the basic shape of your part. Now we're going to extrude it. Hit exit, feature, extrude. Let's flip this over. And the depth of this part is, we're going to go right here, 1.25, enter, hit OK. And that's your chain link part. So any questions or concerns, leave them down in the chat. Leave them in the chat section down below. Remember to thumbs up. For more video like this, one's over there and one's down there, right? And oh, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.